My name is Sid Marshall, and this is how to make a Ponzu butter sauce. Ponzu is a Japanese sauce that is made from yuzu juice, which is a Japanese citrus fruit, similar to lime, and equal parts of soy sauce. It gives it a very distinctive salty yet sour flavor. Put into a butter sauce, this will pair nicely with either a steak or a piece of grilled fish. We're going to start by taking equal parts of our yuzu juice, which is our Japanese citrus juice, and add an equal part of just plain light soy sauce. Give it a little stir, and there we have our ponzu sauce. We're going to start by adding about a half a cup of our ponzu sauce with a pinch of garlic puree. And we're going to start and reduce this by about half. Once our ponzu has reduced by about half, we're going to start incorporating about a half a stick of butter into it, slowly swirling and emulsifying the butter into the sauce. And there you have your ponzu butter sauce. And then we'll put some over our fresh grilled chicken breast. This would also be very nice with a grilled steak. And we'll finish it off with just a little bit of fresh cilantro. And there you have how to make a ponzu butter sauce.